click the download button right here. This page will open, and then click the download button again. Then we are going to open this. Yes. Next. We are going to check this right here. It means that we've read all this text, which of course we did. Then next. Choose the location for this downloader, wherever you want, or you can just leave it as default. This button says install, so we're gonna click that. And now we're going to wait until this bar right here fills. Now that you created an account, just set your VPN to Japan. And after you're connected, put your username here. And now that that's done, click the finish button right here. Now this thing will open automatically. It says download right here, so we're gonna click that to download the Dragomon Hunter. And now game is downloading, so we're going to wait until the download is finished. And your password right here. Then click login button. Download just finished, and this button says install, so click this. Next. Check this. Next. Choose the location where you're going to install the game, or just leave it as default. After the installation process is finished, this window will open, and just click the finish button right here. Now the game has successfully been installed on your PC. So to open the game right now, what you're going to do is click this button right here, but first you will need to make an account and log in. To make an account, click step 1 and then click here. And if you already closed this window, then when you enter the starting page, click this button right here below the download button. Then this. In this field right here, type your email. And click this button right here, and they will send you an email to whichever one you typed. Then open that email and click this link right here. In this field right here you put your username, so I'm gonna name it potato username. This right here is password. Then repeat the password that you typed right here. Here you put your birthday. And click this right here. Then this button right here. Check this. Click here. Now that we are logged in, we're going to click the game start. This pop-up will open right here and click open. Once patching is done, click the start button. If you're not seeing this window right here, which lets you choose a channel, it means that your VPN is not working properly. If you're seeing this window, just choose any channel whatsoever and click this button right here and type your in-game password. In the field below, you just repeat it. And type it once more. And now, create your character.